Hello, happy homemakers. I am Bailey with My Life as a Homemaker, and I am bringing you the Spring DIY Challenge. It is hosted by Heidi Sambal, and she's been doing this DIY challenge every month, which actually this is only the second month, but she's doing it every month this year, and I am so excited because I love doing DIYs and getting myself out there. I have a few Easter projects that I will be showing you in this video, and I cannot wait for you guys to see them. Don't forget to check out Heidi's channel. I will have it linked in the description box down below, and I will also have a playlist linked in the description box down below of all the other Wonder YouTubers doing this challenge. And here we go.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul. No one else. When everything is on, we light a candle. We're breathing really slow with artists. We're waiting for the dawn with empty bottles. You turn around when I wanna kiss. I try to reach you, but that's nothing new. I kinda know, 'cause you turn around when I wanna kiss. Oh, don't bring me waterfalls. Say what you're looking for. I'll hit you like a domino. What's standing in front of you will hit you like a domino. If silence what you are, then please remember my kiss will not be hanging forever. Craving for your love since last November, but you turn around when I wanna talk. Oh, when you need me, time has changed. Maybe I'm the one being silent when you just wanna talk. Oh, don't bring me waterfalls. Say what you're looking for. I'll hit you like a domino. Oh, open your eyes, I'll hit you like a domino. Oh, open your eyes, I'll prove what's standing in front of you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed all of these different challenges, crafts that I made. I really enjoyed making them, and I love having them all around my house. It's really fun. But don't forget to check out Heidi's channel in the description box and the playlist down below, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.
We'll hit you like a domino.